In Chapter 3, we'll learn how to get touchpad input data events and how to use the touchpad axis position information. First, navigate to the color picker wheel and then open the animator panel. Using Unity's animation system, we can show and hide the color picker by setting the visible property to true or false in our code. Go back to our scene and open the color picker wheel script in Visual Studio. If the input is coming from the left controller's touchpad, then the wheel is made visible and the selector is set to the touchpad position. In our update method, we trigger the show or hide animations depending on the visible property. To get the color value, first set the selector position to a radius of 1. Then, raycast the wheel mesh and get its UV coordinates. Through this raycast, we get the pixel from the color wheel texture. Finally, we assign this pixel value to the selected color.